anyone seen my daddy? Daddy! Excuse me?
Huh?
Have you seen my daddy?
Shut up and go.
Daddy? Daddy? Daddy!
You're really annoying.
But I'm looking for my daddy.
Someone has to show them little girls how to shut up.
You think you're cool just because you're older than I am?
Yeah, I do.
Daddy, I'm coming home.